Creating a mess can make up some of the best parts of everyday life. With robotic floor care, all it takes is the press of a button to keep up with the daily accumulation of dirt, dust, and stains. Mopping robots tackle stains in wet and damp mode, or dust and hair in dry sweeping mode. Sensors map out the room, enabling them to navigate under and around furniture and clean in hard-to-reach places. When it comes to areas with carpeting and rugs, robotic vacuums can navigate from hard floors to carpeted areas to pick up dirt, debris, and hair under and around your furniture. Machines with tangle-free extractors are great for homes with pets. Wi-Fi-enabled devices can be set remotely so that you can rest assured wherever you go, you can return home to clean floors.
There's no easy way to prevent messes in a busy household, but choosing the ideal vacuum for your needs can make cleaning a breeze. A full-size upright vacuum with a wide path and serious suction power can be a great way to tackle large areas of a busy household quickly. For hard-to-reach messes, consider a vacuum with attachments. Lightweight compact vacuums are easy to carry, push and pull, and also offer other features like effortless steering. The ability to move from carpet to flooring with a push of a button makes cleaning different surfaces easier. A cordless stick vacuum is another lightweight option perfect for multi-floor layouts. They have powerful suction that makes them great for high-traffic floors that need a daily once-over. Many models run on lithium batteries for convenient cleaning. Consider a carpet cleaner for lifting dirt and stains from carpet, rugs, and upholstery. They can help extend the life of your carpet by deep cleaning with soap or detergent. A model with attachments means you can wash upholstery or stairs. Now that you know which vacuum is ideal for your home, you can spend less time worrying about how you're going to clean a mess while you're having fun making one.